Thanks to platforms such as Instagram and YouTube, hype around the world of watches grows daily. One day it might be about the new watch the latest celebrity is wearing in a paparazzi shot, and the next everyone is sharing their predictions for upcoming models. In recent months and years, hype has resulted in a tangible impact to the pricing and demand of certain watches. Think Patek Philippe in the 5711, Rolex and basically any watch made from steel, or even the gold Daytona we discussed recently on the online magazine. The popularity of Tudor has risen in tandem with the growth of their Black Bay range. It's no wonder then that when they released a much requested navy blue version of the immensely popular Black Bay 58 in 2020, people went a little crazy over it. But now that hype has died down a tad, and we've started to see the Black Bay 58 navy blue and AD windows, we wanted to ask the question, is this watch just all hype, or is it actually as good as everyone makes it out to be? After all, it is just simply a new colour scheme, right? Released in 2020, the Black Bay 58 navy blue is a product of the online-only watch launch. Rather than a celebration at a Baselworld-like show, Tudor sent the models to its ADs around the world pre-launch. A good idea on paper, until some ADs decided to post images of the watch before the agreed date, meaning when it was time for the official announcement, everyone already knew what to expect. But this didn't stop the hype from building and maintaining for the remaining months of the year. The world has been waiting for a navy blue 58 ever since the first iteration was released in 2018. But Tudor wanted to go a step further as they changed both the bezel and the dial to blue. In recent history, the Black Bay Diver 41 just keeps the colour to the bezel and sticks with a black dial. However, look a little further back to the original blue Snowflake and Tudor Submariners, and you'll find matching blue bezels and dials. What is fascinating to me with the 58 navy blue is how thoroughly modern it not just looks, but feels in person. Yes, well-versed watch aficionados will recognise the snowflake hand isn't anything new, but thanks to the giltless dial and bezel configuration in favour of bright silver gilded markings, the 58 navy blue has managed to strip back the vintage touches to simply the hour hand and the remarkably subtle faux rivets on the bracelet. Now that the hour hand is out of context and stripped of surrounding influences, the strength in the hand design resonates a whole lot more when wearing the navy blue. Unlike the sunburst blue seen on the 41mm Black Bay Diver bezel, the blue on the 58 is much softer. It's actually quite subdued in person. So don't think you'll be getting a rich, deep blue, but rather a matte one which is generously toned down. If you can get yourself a 58 navy blue at retail, then it will be a pretty solid investment. The watch hasn't really been released long enough to fully see if the watch will hold its value long term. However, within a year, they're still trading on the second-hand market for around the same price as you can buy them at retail. The likelihood is that because this is a popular, very commercial product, the 58 blue won't really shoot up in price over time, but will hold its value well. Apart from the new colour, the 58 blue doesn't really do anything different to the other 58, so it's unlikely to become an immensely collectible watch in the future. The 58 navy blue is a watch we don't really need to go into great detail with regarding its stats, how it wears, the case proportions, or even if it's well made. If you're curious, we've covered the watch before on the channel. We'll leave a link in the description below. The 58 navy blue is the ultimate expression of who Tudor should be and what they need to be releasing. A commercially successful watch brand that offers historical context whilst not getting caught up in the past. To some degree, Tudor is still following in the footsteps of its bigger brother, just in its own way to ensure that they keep the desirability of the Rolex relationship without it stepping on the coronet's toes. Fans of the WatchGecko YouTube channel will know we've explored watch straps for Tudor watches many times before, and the Black Bay 58 navy blue offers a distinctive appearance with a versatile lug width, making it ideal for a strap change. Let us know in the comments below if you think we should show you how different we can make this look with just a few watch straps. To us, the Black Bay 58 is the benchmark for entry-level luxury diving watches. It has perfectly combined a well-made product with a great amount of demand and interest, mixed with an inoffensive design and impressive proportions. The Black Bay 58 is an incredible blank canvas for the brand, and with its new colour configuration, Tudor has created a watch with DNA rooted in yesteryear and pulled it bang up to date. If you're in the market for a watch from the Rolex family with its own personality, and you're comfortable spending up to £2,760 for the watch on the steel bracelet, then there's no better choice in my eyes than the Black Bay 58 navy blue. To find out more about the watch, make sure you head over to the Tudor website. As mentioned earlier, we've also covered Tudor a few times before, both here and on our online magazine. We'll leave some links to our content in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.